Hello everyone, I am taking the kids out on a little biking and walking adventure. Brielle here. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, and then we got, who do we got here?
Lisa.
Alyssa.
Hi.
Who are you?
Kaylin.
And?
Hello. I'm Josh.
And we got Josh. So the whole gang, of course Kendra's out doing her thing today. And so we're gonna go visit the duck pond. We'll catch you on the way. Okay, so we made it to the pond.
Daddy.
We can see there's some ducks over here. So what do we want to do with the ducks now that we're here at the pond?
And feed them.
Hand feed them. Okay. We might go to another area. There are ducks over there.
Give me back.
All right, so I think we're gonna go try to hand feed some ducks. See how that goes. One doesn't really know until we try. And we got some ducks over here on the hill, just a couple of them. So curious to see how this goes.
Alright, it's like this, okay? You wait for it to come. Hey! Mr. Grumpy! No, let it go into it. Let it touch me. Hey, that's oh, hey. Mr. Goose. Want a piece of bread?
Okay, hold it. There you go. Keep it just like that, Josh. See if the goose will take it. Otherwise, the duck will take it. Hold it to the duck.
Should we go a little bit closer?
Just a second. Okay.
Not working. Hey, you! I know you. You look for the bread.
Throw it out just a little bit in front of you to get the goose next to you. Well, as you can see, this is the duck pond here. There's actually two duck ponds. This is one of them. There's a bunch of ducks out here. And here's my kids. They're having a good time trying to feed the goose, trying to feed the ducks, seeing if they can hand feed them. They're able to hand feed a couple of the ducks. The goose just aren't biting from the hands. But we're still trying here. But I think there's too many kids. Throw it right in front of you. Bigger pieces. You gotta be bigger.
It's got to be really big.
Okay, right on the ground, right in front of you. There you go. Yay!
Now let's go.
Give him the rest. Now he's greedy. Now he knows he can get it right out of your hand.
Huh? And the ducks are coming.
So Kaylin, it looks like you finally fed the ducks.
Mm-hmm.
And did it eat out of your hand?
Yeah.
How did you finally get him to do that?
Well, I did throw it a little bit in the water. He came close, and when I threw it a little bit on the ground, and he came up, and then he saw it.
Wow. Did it hurt at all?
No, and it felt wet.
It felt wet.
And he kind of pet my skin.
That's so cool. I don't know if it'll show up or not. Oh, that's cool. Got a little snake in the water here.
I'm gonna try to get him out.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Let's see if I can do it. Oh,
See if I could like grab him.
There he is.
I'm trying to get him.
Oh, that's cool.
Let him go.
He took his head.
Are you gonna try to grab him, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dude, try to use it.
Okay.
We might try and just pick him up.
Okay, hang on. Careful, you could get bit. I doubt he's poisonous, but
No, he's not poisonous.
yeah. You have. There it goes. If you pull him up, Josh, pull him up onto the ground. I can't believe you got him. Grab him next to his neck so he can't bite you. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, show me, Josh. What do you got there?
Snake. Josh, can I hold him?
Any idea what kind of snake?
I think it's a garter snake.
Yeah, I don't know.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Why does it have a rattle at the end?
Come on.
Yeah, now we'll let you carry those gloves in the
Guys,
By the neck.
yeah, hold him by the neck so he doesn't bite you, Kaylin. There you go. There you go.
So cool.
There you go.
They don't really bite though.
They can bite, okay? So just be careful.
Throw it, Alyssa. You don't want to. Daddy, can you take a picture?
Yes, come over here just real quick. I'll take a, no, Josh, let go. Let go.
He's wrapping around me.
Okay, Kaylin, you gotta look at me.
That is so cool.
All right, look at that.
Good one.
Cool.
Can have a pet snake. I can have a pet snake.
Got it. Does Alyssa want to?
Does it want to?
Alyssa doesn't know if she wants to?
Here, can I hold it? Yeah, wait, just a minute.
Okay, I got a picture. It's video. I'll take pictures off of it. You're good. Just. Brielle, did you see the snake?
The other one that we
Okay.
Brielle, do you want to hold the snake? Wow, this is cool. Luckily it's not. Can I have it? This is my snake. Okay, now. You had it turned, didn't you? Yeah. I'm not gonna hand it to her. Hold him by the neck.
Oh, she gonna grab it? She just let her just touch it. She doesn't need to hold it. She doesn't need to hold it. She'll drop it.
Snake? Okay. Yeah, let go. I want to hold it now. I want to let him go. I call the person to let him go. Okay.
Well, we're not keeping it, so don't worry. Are you letting him go?
Yeah.
There we go.
Bye, Snakey. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, what'd you think of holding that snake?
It's like after school. We found it outside.
Or did you hold it or just touch it?
Touch it.
Oh,
It feels good.
it felt good. What did you think, Josh?
It was cool. It was really wet.
All right, well, we all made it safely back from the pond. Did you guys have a fun time?
Yeah.
A lot of fun. What was your favorite part?
The snake.
A snake. A snake.
The snake. We went out to feed ducks and we caught a snake. It was so cool. All right, so it was a very successful adventure with the kids. Kaylin isn't here, but she's up there inside somewhere. So we just wanted to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Bye.